If you have lesser money than you need, then this definitely indicates that there is something wrong in your subconscious conditioning and program. You do not have the money that you need clearly indicates there is something wrong in your relationship with money, or you do not share a good relationship with money. Your thought process and emotions towards money is not in harmony with the thought process and emotions that your source holds about money. So in today's video, I am going to share with you a few tips and tricks on how can you use law of attraction to attract money in your life. Very simple and very easy way. Hello magicians, how are you guys? Hope all of you are doing well. I call you all magicians because you are the magician of your life and you have a lot of magical power within you. Tip number 1, this is a pro tip, so note it down. Other people's experience has nothing to do with my manifestation. Remember this, other people's experience has nothing to do with my manifestation. Write it down, say it to yourself that other people's experience has nothing to do with my manifestation. What others have done, what they have or others don't have, cannot stop you from having that abundant life and that abundant lifestyle. Other people's experience cannot stop you. You are unstoppable. For example, if somebody shares their experience of losing money and you keep on thinking about it throughout the day, throughout the night, that what if the same experience happens in your life, then please stop thinking about it. They have lost the money because they invited their experience in their life with their frequency. Their experience does not assure that the same thing and the same experience will happen to everybody and all. Tip number 2 is check if you are comfortable while spending money. The idea is you should be comfortable while spending money or you do not spend. Either spend comfortably or do not spend. Feeling uncomfortable is a negative emotion. So when you are spending money with this negative emotion, any action taken with negative emotion can only lead to negative outcome, will never lead to positive outcome. You spending money uncomfortably indicates that your thought process and your emotion towards money is of that shortage, lack and scarcity. When you are spending money uncomfortably, then you are telling a story to your subconscious mind that I don't have enough money, I cannot afford this, I cannot afford that. This shows scarcity. Scarcity creates scarcity. From a place of lack, you cannot have enough that you desire. Before moving on to tip number 3, let me tell you that you feel that once you achieve this, you will be happy, or once you get that, you will be happy. But here comes tip number 3. It's very important, note it down. Unless and until you are happy, you will not be able to achieve it. You will never get it. You attract your experience. In other words, if you want prosperity in your life, you have to feel prosperous. You have to feel prosperous before actual prosperity comes to you. The more you talk about struggles and poverty, the more you attract that. The more you talk about happiness and abundance, the more you attract that. It's your choice. What do you want to attract? So think more about that, talk more about that. Tip number 4 is look for positive aspects of money. Look for positive aspects of money. Tell yourself a different story. A different story, not of your current reality, but of the reality that you want to create for yourself. Offer good feeling thoughts while looking at the positive aspects of money. Write down as if you have already received so much of money and what all things that you are doing with the money that you have received. Write a story about that. You can also write a love letter to money. In this video, I have discussed how can you write a love letter to money. I have discussed on the guidelines, how can you write love letter to money. So you can check this video out after watching this video if you want to write a love letter to money. So that's all in my today's video. If you think that this video is helpful, and if any of your family members or friend, or if you know somebody who is in need of money and this video will be helpful for them, then please do share this video with them and subscribe. Stay subscribed, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Bye.